It's often a race against time.
We always have more patients that need organs than we have.
Today, more than 15,000 people are waiting for a liver. On average, they'll wait 239 days to get one, if they get one at all. 48-year-old Laura Adams was on that list, diagnosed with cancer in her liver.
I had to do a certain amount of chemo, a certain amount of radiation before I was eligible for the liver transplant.
When asked if she would take part in a clinical trial to receive a new liver, she didn't hesitate.
What we have here is Organ Recovery Systems liver pump.
The Intermountain Transplant Research Team is one of the first to use a portable hypothermic machine to replace the traditional cooler. It keeps the organ working while outside the body.
It's kind of already revved up and ready to go.
The donated liver is connected to pumps that continually circulate a cold temperature, oxygenated medical solution throughout the liver to keep cells alive and prevent clotting. The temperature is digitally monitored throughout transport.
This gives us real-time data as to some of the changes that might be happening.
This clinical trial is looking at whether the pump does two things.
Do the patients get out of the hospital quicker? Do they have less complications post-transplant?
It may also allow less healthy livers to be used for transplant.
These organs were ones that we would not maybe even consider in the past.
Laura received a liver that was hepatitis C positive. The machine preserved the liver during transport, and after surgery, she took medication that cured the hep C. New technology that may help save more organs and more lives. I'm Marty Salt reporting.